Welcome to this Times Techies webinar. My name is Shilpa Fadnas and I have with me my colleague Sujit John. The two of us will moderate today's discussion. We hope you and your families are staying safe and doing well. Our discussion today is on Golang, the trends and career opportunities. Golang, or Go as most call it, is an open source programming language that makes it easier to build simple, reliable, efficient software. Go is a procedural and statistically typed programming language having syntax similar to the C programming language. It was developed in 2007 at Google, but it was brought into the market in 2009 as an open source programming language. To discuss this, we have three seasoned professionals. We have Iman Tunggono, Senior Principal Engineer at Coinworks, an Indonesia-based super financial app that provides both investment and liabilities products under a single platform. A self-proclaimed T-shaped engineer with knowledge in front-end, DevOps, data engineering, Agile. Iman has expertise in backend systems, architecture, mentoring, and backend systems. He loves to write code, discussing best practices, and learning philosophy. Welcome, Iman.
Thank you, Shilpa.
We have Suresh Shekhar. Suresh is founder and CEO of PicoSoft. Suresh started PicoSoft 6 years ago with just him. He was the founder. He was just one person. Today, PicoSoft has over 100 employees. It's a NASSCOM member company. PicoSoft has developed more than 500 web and 50 mobile applications. It's an ardent user of Golang. The company says Go is becoming popular among developers because of the absolute control over the API layer with real-time operations. Welcome, Suresh.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So at PicoSoft, you're using a lot of Go, is it?
Yes. Then in 2018, we had started for work on Go project. Earlier stage, very difficult to getting a project actually. It is a very new in that India. Okay, so at that time we had developed small functionalities and we can publish in the GitHub actually for us. It's named called gogig.dev. So for that, the most of the inquiries we are getting from other countries, they're giving hiring developers for us. Go through it because we have not much experienced developer with us that time because it's very new. We have a maximum 2-year experience. So if you started 2018, there's a booming stage. 2018, 2021 is a booming stage of Golang. So we got a more work on that. So we slowly increasing our team actually for us. Now we are developing on the recruitment portal, a big part. Whatever the Hemant and Iman told that. So everything we are faced that this type of things and we are executed for all of this actually for us. And it's very, our developer and myself love it for the Golang actually work on Golang. So very less code and easily we can get libraries. And these are things very interesting factors. We are comparing the PHP and C++ plus Java. It's very more useful for us actually for us.
You were using PHP and C++ earlier, is it?
Yeah. Earlier we have started because we are any new technology in this market we can start work on this actually for us. Even Node.js, React, or but Golang is because Golang is a language, it's not a scripting. So what we thought is alternative for why we go with C++ plus Java, but it is a 2K kits kind of technology. So then we can plan for us Go actually we have tried for us. So very well for easy learn. Actually, the developers very easily can learn it actually for us.
Yeah.
Go languages. Who know very well a little bit knowledge about C, they can easily learn for Go language. Very useful.
So you are using Go for what kind of applications?
Yeah, right now we developing for one recruitment portal actually we are developing actually. So in this case there are lakhs of records. This is a SaaS platform we are developing. In this case, finding so we have to search resumes in the database, and we are developing a microservices architecture. Whatever the scalability based we are developing, whatever the Iman told them, same kind of microservice architecture we are doing. Then resume searching is separate services, and the registration is separate services. The payment gateway is separate services. So everything is separate services. We are working on deployment in AWS, and we work on recruitment portal. So minute we can get 1 lakh records response we can get. Even so multi-threading also. Anyway, we are real times we are facing the issue other language, but it's all everything solved by the Golang actually.
Okay. Give me a sense. I mean, all of you said that globally Go is really doing well and all of that. But India, it's still not too many developers still very familiar with Go.
Correct.
Why
Yeah.
do you think that is the case? India has so many developers. They always seem to be on top of things. Why isn't there?
See, generally, here is India's the developers already who are working in the PHP other language. They have to upskill it to be better for us. They are working for the knowledge in some other technologies and uh, in career. I'm talking about for that career based. If you go other companies or something, we have experience in PHP, then you can get a better salary for the PHP. We have experience on that. But if you go or some other languages, you should have to give up skills. But there is companies have to give opportunity for upskills that people actually. That time, the more developers easily can upskilling for Golang. But if you start, anyone can fresher passed out. I want to learn new technologies. Go is a wonderful actually for us.
Yeah. Hemant, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm absolutely with Suresh there. So anyone want to start with a new programming language, like just the college pass outs? Yeah, definitely suggest Golang to be.
Golang.
Yeah.
Yeah. For Chennai, how's it?
Yeah, Chennai, not much people in that Golang. So right, it may be that next couple of 1 or 2 years it will be great. But I said that hardly that is ratio of 25% of people, less than 25% using for Golang actually.
Okay. But what have you heard? Bangalore has a good community. Is there a good amount of action happening in terms of community?
Yes, Bangalore is. Yes. Bangalore is good community. And also, and another thing is, instead of developer community, we are talking about, but we need developer any open source community product. See how the PHP is more popular, and because of they have a specific product already is available, open source product. See the e-commerce Magento and the open card, CS card, many things will be there. And if you go with the content management system, there is a WordPress and Joomla things will be. We go to education sector, there is a Moodle with there. So there are many community product available. The people can use it for us. The same thing, the community will have developed many open source product like that industry specific. Then the people are using the product, then community will be grow for us. We're getting more jobs also on that product. Same like Golang, we have develop a more community product, open source product. The developer is not like a GitHub just posting on project and that doesn't work actually for us. Maybe the people use, but we have to set up one community people backing a one particular industry product. They have to develop it. Then the people will easily navigate. See the WordPress and Joomla, the content management system is already there in PHP. The same
which ones?
Joomla and WordPress. These are all PHP based content management system. Okay, the same kind of content management system we have to develop in Golang. So the time the people start think, okay, which one is the latest tech stack we are using for WordPress? Why not you migrate to the new tech stack? Already is specific available. Then people will come. There's no product, no open source project. Then how the people will coming for this customer? That's a problem. But so developer have to contribute more open source product.
Okay.
Then only that reach the new people.
Okay. I mean, what do you think? I mean, the Swiggies and the Zomatos, the big baskets were scaling very rapidly, I mean, especially after the pandemic and all that. What do you think they would be using?
The question for me or what?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just asking you to guess. I mean, would you recommend that they use Go and not something else?
Yeah, maybe they are used because they have multi servers. I think each API have a different microservices. But Hemant already showed that that is one human body diagrams like this, muscles, heart, and everything. These are all core functionality have running different servers actually.
Right.
So that even server side they have to scalability will be there. Not only that Go, but apart from this, there is a server side also. They have some scalability, vertical scalable, horizontal scalable. They have tickets are using for this. And if using Golang, there is a hardware. This cost is no need for high compared to other languages. Inbuilt into most of some of the mechanisms available in the Golangs, it has reduced that hardware cost actually for us.
It reduces.
It is a hardware cost. So big companies, that's the reason maybe I thought they choosing the Golang as one of the reason. And the other thing is microservices easily can build it. That is other reason for us.
Suresh, you're so much into it and you've been there around. Why don't you create that community?
Yes, we are planning on that actually for us. We have started already. That's why we have started for gogig.dev, that on website we do. And because we have functionalities, our internal developers, I said weekly the 2 or 3 scripts they can participate, upload that GitHub, the people can download. We are working on it actually for us. And individually we are getting one project also, so that again the developers all are engaged for this. So I'm very passionate about for this. Definitely we can do for us.
Yeah, looks like we need a bigger community quickly.
Yes.
Yeah.
From Varun Raju, what are the best resources and projects to learn Golang?
Suresh, Hemant,
Yeah,
So
go ahead, Shekhar.
yeah, the resourcing you can surf in the Google. There are so many blogs and articles, mediums. So easily can first of all understanding about Golang and the basic things and everything. There's a many websites available for the resources.
Yeah.
Even today's information age, if you go search in the YouTube, you get dozens of videos about this actually.
So when you said 40-45 days, you can self-learn basically through YouTube and all that is what you're suggesting.
Yes, that's it. Yeah, that's fair enough for us. Because there's no need for project knowledge. Basically, after joining the company, all project, how can do everything, they will handle it first. Only these people knows for skill, who haven't made a basic skill. That's enough for us.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot. We're almost out of time. So great discussion. But yeah, I know both your companies are hiring Go developers in a big way. I mean, Suresh, of course, is totally Go. Hemant, you're also looking for Go talent, I think, in India, and you're struggling to find them, you're saying. So actually, for all the viewers, a lot of opportunities there. Companies like PicoSoft and Coinworks are looking for people who understand Go. So, and Suresh, all the best with your efforts to build a community.
Thank you very much.
We'll soon have a vibrant community in India as well. So thanks a lot, Iman. Thanks for joining us from Indonesia. Thanks, Hemant. Thanks, Suresh. Great having you all.
Thanks, Shilpa. Thanks, Sujit. Thanks giving the opportunity for participate for the great webinar event. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Times, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.